Turn this way?
Well, it's a 10 now.
Yeah?
It's gonna get everything.
Trying to hide?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
I guess I'm looking at it, man.
I'm speechless right now. This turned out way better than I expected.
Yeah.
And the best part is it's only half of it. Pinching.
We're here to look at the first car that's painted and done, and oh my god, it's ridiculous. I'm blown away.
Like, I can't stop staring at it.
It's like Christmas morning right now.
Yeah,
That's what I feel like.
Again,
but we drove mine out, so we're gonna swap them out. But Tailored will be here shortly to come pick this guy up and head to his shop, start doing some measurements for liveries.
Yeah.
Which we can't wait to show you too.
It's gonna be sick. We spent most of the day today trying to come up with a good design, getting all the sponsors on there, and we're set. We're ready.
And
we haven't even looked at it up close yet, so
sorry, but you'll have to wait till Summer Jam to see part of the finished product, since there will be graphics on it.
It'll be worth it.
Yeah, so black and white. Dude.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
There's the man. Hi, Dom. So we got the magician here himself. Got Dominic from Rose City Dip, who just finished this up. What, last night? Yeah. It's what, dropped it off 2 days ago?
Yep.
One whole day. That's, the turnaround is outrageous, and the quality is holy yeah.
Speechless, dude.
Oh my god.
This is nuts.
This is so sick. I love it.
I know, all the teasers last night.
Oh.
We're literally sitting on our phone every time it buzzed.
Everything would stop, and we're like, "What is it?"
It's not him. And then you sent the YouTube video, and we like stopped everything. I pulled it up on my computer, and like we were like, "Oh my god!"
Losing it.
I wish you could have caught, so I turned the lights off in the booth and then walked around with my little light.
Oh really?
It looked insane. So when you like go to the gas station at night, it's gonna look insane.
Oh hell yeah. Or like, so how was it applying the Autoflex to so many different surfaces?
So everything was totally fine other than a little spot on the spoiler.
Hey.
There's one spot on the spoiler and then a little...
Which I honestly did not expect the spoiler to even adhere at all.
Yeah, there's just one little reaction right there.
Oh, that's just nothing.
But yeah, the gloss pretty much buried it. And then same thing here.
I mean, even
you can tell people got custom zip ties that match the color.
Right? Oh my, that's something else. That's not what I expected. All right.
Should we go to 7-Eleven?
Oh, yeah.
Sit up.
Boom.
Golden.
Can we get another take?
Thank you.
Yeah, one more?
Definitely one more.
Sweet.
Alright,
So-
load it up. I'll give you the shot.
All right.
Load it from there.
Thank you. I'll be. losing my
Patiently
sanity.
waiting.
Yeah. It's like, oh, cool, you got your car back, and it's gone. So worth it.
So worth it.
Dude, I'm dying to see the results. It's gonna be so awesome.
Yep.
Oh. Huh.
I showed him the. You showed him the design
Yeah.
already? Okay.
Yeah. We can't let the camera see that. No, can't see it.
All right, so you saw James's car get picked up by Tailored. Mine went through paint as well, and they both got trailered here, thanks to Anthony.
Who's over there working,
Yeah, nonstop.
doing stuff?
But the cars are now done, and we're pretty stoked on them.
Yeah.
Lots of late nights, thanks to Anthony from Tailored. He is a go-getter.
Yeah.
Did 2 full liveries in a couple days. So we're painted, we got liveries, and now we can drive them home.
Yeah. It's like probably going to be about 12:30 when we leave here. Hopefully not get spotted. Hopefully everyone's asleep. Then go stash them, and then be ready for Sunday morning. We still got a lot of preparation to do. Some things I know I didn't get quite finished up, but not crucial. The rear end should be fine. With the shakedown, it went pretty well anyway. So fuel pump was replaced. Turns out it actually had a factory KA fuel pump in it, and that was causing a bit of a lean out issue.
I know it. Now you got the 450.
Yeah, it's like a 3 something or other. It's an Aeromotive Stealth. I should probably know this, but I don't. But it's in there, along with some other fun
It should
stuff.
do
but
fine.
it'll definitely do the job. So yeah, again, just looking at them, it's awesome. And in the sun,
Yep.
it's gonna be amazing.
Yep.
The sun better be out, cause yeah.
I'd say huge shout out to Rose City Dip for painting these quickly, and Tailored for working nonstop on these liveries and designing them. Make sure you follow them. You'll see their tags down below. But other than that, I guess we just got to get going,
Yeah.
and we'll see you tomorrow.